YouTubers always have rooms that they never let you go in. I'm going to sneak in one little corner of this room. Got my humidity blowing in here. And what I've got here are tomato plants. Okay, I've got beefsteak, Jetstar, and San Marzano. Do you remember around July last year, I learned that you can clone tomato plants? Well, I've grown flowers my entire life, and I'm pretty good at it. And I know for a fact that a clone is way superior to a seed. So I'm going to have mother plants and take all of my tomato plants as clones. Got my fans going, controlling my temperature, controlling my humidity. I'm kind of guessing on the time. I know these need to be 2 to 4, long older than that. Maybe 6 to 8 weeks old before I can really clone them. But I can get a clone ready to plant in a week. Okay, tomato mother plants. Let's see how that unfolds. Happy gardening, y'all.